Why ocean cleaning starts with this river. Hello lovely YouTube family and welcome back to Nano 10s. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. The Ocean Cleanup is a non-profit engineering environmental organization based in the Netherlands, started by famous ecologist and activist Boyan Slat, who prevents and eliminates plastic and other pollutants from the water bodies and prevents it way before till it's in the riverbeds and it reaches the oceans. He introduced it in the year 2019. His famous project is termed the Interceptor and is the world's first ever plastic eliminating solution, which is actually a huge trash can that, by the help of the turbulent river currents, pulls out or eliminates waste materials and debris from the water surface. Inside the Interceptor, it has got several drawers to collect garbage into 6 large dumpsters, making way into the Interceptor. He started this mission in 2019 and he wanted to start it from the North Pacific's infamous Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The ultimate mechanism in which it operates comprises solar energy, which gets accommodated on the top surface of the Interceptor. The collection of trash gets emptied manually by workers regularly. It is the water cleanup interception based on both the second and third generation. More efficient, massive in its characteristics. Its body holds an advanced mechanism with inbuilt computers which constantly measures and maintains the necessary steps that must be taken care of. They aim to eliminate garbage and water afloat from the riverbeds and control them from spreading wide apart so that they don't reach out finally with the vast ocean bodies. The project began in the early months of this year and was set out for its operation, but due to the worldwide pandemic COVID-19, they had to make a postponement. The whole world went into quarantine and as a result the program was kept on hold. The first Interceptor was set out in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, where a vast amount of water pollution has been caused. The rivers in this dominion are highly toxic in nature and the prime cause for this is the system of urbanization. Its factory releases other household wastes, expands the list. Not only here, but the Ocean Cleanup Project is also working its best and is trying to scale down more interceptors all around the globe. Few counts in Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. There are thousands of rivers all over the planet which are responsible for the spreading of harmful pollutants, so to clean and filter out all of them is a real challenge here. They're not settling down with that. In the coming years, they are looking forward to making a bigger difference in bringing out a greener version of our planet, which is undercover with nothing but trash and unwanted products. The manufacturers, installers, and product partners are the greatest help for this mission to achieve its deeds goals. Water pollution and its harmful side effects have been major environmental issues for a long time. It doesn't only degrade environmental health, but also poses a life threat that we are aware of, but still not that serious about pulling up the sleeves and stopping its occurrence. Hundreds and thousands of marine animals face life threats daily, dying due to the harmful water waste continuously getting released. It is not only because of the heavy oil tankers which can be responsible for spilling oil into the water bodies, some other sources are responsible for this. Industrialization and urbanization is another important reason behind this disastrous natural causes of degrading water bodies. Continuous harmful and highly poisonous discharges getting released into the water and the gases from automobiles are another reason we can count on. As people moved from rural areas to urban areas, they started standardizing their lifestyles and living patterns. Human wastes and waste from factories, debris from disposed of directly into the rivers, and as a result they contaminate the health of the water bodies. Big factories, firms, and industries didn't pay any sufficient amount of heat against serious environmental degradation and didn't protect the earth from the anthropogenic pollution. According to the reports and recorded, it was so studied that the 10 major rivers are held responsible for setting up most water pollution. Enormous disposal of plastics and other harmful substances getting disposed of because of its release not only affects the natural habitat, but the planet as a whole. You can understand how unfortunate and unbelievable a turn it can bring, which in turn can change the entire world scale of existence. It's not that late yet to begin discriminating against every possible garbage disposal and control its dangerous effects. The human nature of being unaware, irresponsible, and too much trying to cope with advanced technologies has given rise to all of these. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. What are your views on the entire procedure? Do you agree? Let us know your views in the comment section below, and until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this one. See you soon and goodbye.